What's good, YouTube? So this is my second day of summer week every day until I get 12 seconds. 9 seconds off. Like I know I skipped 2 days. I know I said every day, but like I skipped 2 days. It's fine, chill. But like yeah, so it's my first show. But yeah, okay. This is my first off. You know, I can see it, right? Yeah, I think so. Oh shit, I'm messing up. Well, I think I made scramble. Am I did right? Oh shit, I fucked up. Fuck. I can't drop this off. So let's keep going. Man, that shit was ass, man. That shit was boo-boo. I messed up cross, and then after that, that shit went downhill. But yeah. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow my Instagram, cdotty.2x _2x. Yeah, that's it.